Go.
X nor using 2 to 1 mux. If A and B is 0, the output is 1. If A is 0, then B is on, the output is 0. If A is on and B is off, the output is also 0. If A and B is on, the output is 1.